How Google played a key role in the failure of Windows Phone. The Windows Phone was a nostalgic device which provided unique user experience like dancing tiles, which even today makes me nostalgic. But we missed something very important on the Windows Phone. The Windows Phone did not have the native version of popular apps like YouTube, Gmail, Google. But why? Did Google do this on purpose? Microsoft did try to solve this with the project Astoria. In this video, we will cover how Google accelerated the failure of Windows Phone. Google had wonderful ecosystem of powerful apps like YouTube, Gmail, Google Maps, Chrome. All of these apps were much better than what Microsoft offered, and these apps synced with the Android OS so well. This made Android stand out and made it the clear king in the smartphone market. The Windows Phone entered the mobile OS market too late, and by then, the Android OS already dominating clearly. Google was hesitant to develop its app ecosystem for the Windows Phone. Probably Google didn't enjoy the new competitor trying to steal its market share. With the Project Astoria was Microsoft's attempt to fill the lack of apps. This tool tried to make it easy for developers to port their Android apps to Windows. The Astoria failed because of developer concern on piracy, poor performance after the port. Microsoft later shifted their focus onto the Universal Windows platform. This allowed developers to write a single source code, which worked on multiple devices, like the PC, tablet, Xbox, smartphones, etc.